Welcome to the official Protea turf equipment maintenance guide for the Protea SI cylinder mower. In today's video, we're going to show you some essential maintenance procedures, including safety checks, changing the bottom blade, adjusting the cutting cylinder, leveling the machine, chain adjustments, and greasing and lubrication. Regular maintenance keeps your mower cutting cleanly, reduces wear on components, and extends the life of your machine. This video series is the perfect companion to the SI cylinder mower product manual, which you can find on the official Protea Machines website. Before performing any maintenance, always follow these important safety precautions. This is an important safety checklist. Ensure the engine switch is in the off position. Close the fuel tap. Remove the spark plug lead from petrol models or disconnect power on electric models. Ensure all moving parts have completely stopped. Wear gloves when working around the cutting cylinder and bottom blade. Work on a flat, stable surface. Never work underneath a machine that isn't properly supported. Remove the spark plug lead before any adjustments. The manual specifically states that the spark plug cable must be removed before carrying out cutter or chain adjustments to prevent accidental starting.